First Frontier Championship game, Santo Niño, Kinapundan versus Region 6, Salcido, isang sama. CBS na Santo Niño, Kinapundan, Quezon Samar, 2026. Standing at the center, Air Dasig, Salcido, and Lord Jim Galyasa,
Chambal Metro Galyasa and Dasig.
violation.
May nagkaroon ng jump ball violation.
Violation.
First position will be
To limit,
limit.
wearing number 66, limit for
First 2 points for Daganyo.
Daganyo. 3 points.
Daganyo.
Here comes the Tura Disor. To veteran skin to.
Is double position, 13 seconds. Beginning shot clock. Galyasa. 10 seconds. Limited shoot. Galyasa fouls.
Wala.
Second position for Salcido. O Galyasa. Dasig.
Dasig.
Daganyo again.
Daganyo, wala. Rebound by Galyasa. To Tura Disor.
Second position for Santo Niño.
May
Foul sa
foul.
call.
Dio Tambulugan.
15 to make a shoot. And the shoot.
Wow. Nakaw-play by Tura.
Dos. I mean dos. Rather. Leonard.
Dio.
13 to make a shoot.
May
And
foul.
ano call?
Quinto.
13 to make a shoot.
Tambulugan.
Tambulugan. Fires naman.
Wala.
Desor. To Desor.
Disor to Disor. Back
15 seconds to make a shoot. The Cougar to Galyasa.
Galyasa tumira ng
Sa tres nag-short ng kundi.
outside. Bola ng
At
Salcido.
meron sa 12 seconds sa Salcido. Limit yun. 15 seconds to make a shoot. 10 seconds to make a shoot.
Abantok.
Tutong Gaya. 9 seconds to shoot. It's a turnover. Galyasa against the group. Limit yun. The front guard of Salcido. Asking for now. 15 to make a shoot. Medyo madulas yung side natin. Ingat lang mga players. Oh, suicide. Tokindo. 14 seconds, si Mikit shoot. 10 to against Tasha. 10 seconds, si Mikit shoot. Desor, 5 to shoot. Pasok foul. Kahirapan na. Official run score. 4
Score.
are up
4-3.
by only 1 point.
Favor of Santo Niño. 1
With 7
point.
minutes and 12 seconds remaining for the first period. Kahit pumunan. Ongkaya, 2 meters away from the arc. Tasig Dix. Control na ang point guard of Santo Niño. Galyasa asking for a pass. 14 seconds, sinigit shoot. Ipinili. And going so.
Airball.
Deny that shot.
Galyasa.
6 minutes to go against Desor. Gala. 14 seconds, hindi ka shoot. It's a turnover. Desor to Desor. Sayang, Galas.
Bitawan.
Ball out of bounds. 6 minutes and 20 seconds. To Dancing. 15 seconds to shoot. And that applies. Hindi na may drama yung referee.
Si Paul Daganyo.
Jersey number 1, Daganyo committed a foul. Galyasa, jersey number 6. May tawag yung referee. It's a foul. Ang ganda ng defense.
Ugay ah.
Seconds to make a shoot. Desor ngayon. To Desor. Galyasa. 5 to shoot. Got that shot.
Disor.
Binubuhat yung team ni Desor. Jersey number 21. 5 minutes and 40 seconds. 15 to make it shoot. 11 ngayon. 15 seconds, shot clock. 2 to make it shoot. Fantastic fires on 3. Naman, nakuha ni Quinto. 5 minutes and 25 seconds left for the first period. This one ngayon, pinag-training defense. Togaliasa. To Quinto. So, Quinto. Ano ni Quinto?
Quinto. Time out. Salcido.
Ayan. Fantastic. 15 seconds, sa bigat shoot. Tasik, Lieutenant Rinsoya, Nagundo. Isa to Portland. Oh, Gala! Fires through good again. 4 minutes and 15 seconds. Bonsor against the Gaya. Ang defense. Tambalugan. Passing the ball for the people to shoot. Another 2 points. From Lulut, Logan.
Outside. Santo Niño.
13 seconds, make it shoot. Tambalugan against the shot. 10 seconds, make it shoot. And again, penetrating a floater shot. Yes. Shot. 4 minutes and 20 seconds remaining. 4 minutes and 15, 14 to make it shoot. 10 seconds, make it shoot.
Tugaliasa. May foul. Kasama pang foul.
Kasama pang foul. Basket is fouled. The jersey number 19 to make it a foul. Remaining time exactly 4 minutes. Nasa ngayon, 14 seconds to make it shoot. Tambalugan. 10 to make it shoot. Nahirapan ang defender.
Airball.
Substitution ng Togaliasa. Connected. 15 to make it shoot. Okay, natawagan.
Violation.
Hearing the ball.
Carrying the ball.
3 minutes and 30.
Lakas ng ulan mga idol.
And then,
3 points. Wala.
layo ng tira ng Lupit. Bumpa na yan.
Sir.
Ating first limit. Nakalusot! Narin shot. Biglang gumana yung layup. Nakuha ni Nagayasa. May foul. Computer referee Abuna. First throw ang Kaligasa number 6.
Pangalawa.
Pasok yung pangalawang tira. Okay, kasi yan.
Limit.
5 minutes and 10 seconds.
So, Tambulugan.
15 minutes shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Sakto 3 minutes. Ang veteran, Salbay.
Albay, the veteran.
Ang damit mo, yan. 2 minutes and...
Sor.
That's all ngayon. Asking for help. 14 seconds, if you can shoot. Ay, tabang yung referee. Shut down again. 30 seconds.
Penalty.
Orang meron in his roller.
Pangalawa.
Pasok
again.
yung tira. 14 against 20. Ang bumigit.
Nice.
Ang ganda ng drop pass from through Albay. 2 minutes and 22 seconds left. 13 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to make it shoot. May tamang
Offensive foul.
and the kick ball. There's a reminder of the situation. 5 exactly 2 minutes.
Albay.
Out tayo naman, nasa buwa. Ay tamang kumulibri.
Stepping on the line.
Sa ating mga viewers, ayaw niyo yung pagkuha nito ng ating boundary lines. 14 seconds to make it shoot. Galing nasa. 10 to make it shoot. Para ang line connected.
Airball.
1 minute and 43 seconds.
Sayang.
On 11 ngayon. Against Dion.
Hindi makabuelo. Madulas.
Lamit.
Yes.
1 minute and 25 seconds. Leon susubok sa 3. Wide open 3. Passer kagagit for 2 points in you.
3 points. Biyong.
This is super good.
Dasig.
Dasig.
Mabawi. Yes.
Mabawi agad.
Bawi.
1C. This is City. With the running score. 1 minute and 10 seconds left.
Biyong.
14 seconds to make it shoot. Brian Pedisor.
Disor. Wala. Wala. Rebound by Dasig.
Exactly 1 minute. Nasa ko ang pinipwede ko ba?
Wala.
Opportunity.
Yes.
Seconds to play.
Last 50 seconds, first quarter.
14 seconds to make it shoot.
Disor.
10 seconds to make it shoot.
Quinto from the left. Bang! The veterans. Quinto.
35 segundos.
35 seconds.
30 segundos. 14 seconds to shoot. Leonard nag-break.
Nice
10
pass.
seconds to make it shoot.
Skip.
20 segundos. Double shot clock. 15. Kiss. Yalayar sa nakalusot.
Ganda ng ito.
5.
Lakas ang pasa.
2.7. 2.7 seconds. 2.7.
Score.
Antonio.
15.
2.7.
21. 6 points lead on Santo Niño. Last 2.7 seconds.
2.7 seconds.
Last quarter. Nice.
1.3.
Skip.
1.3.
Foul counted pa. May kasama pang foul.
One packet is now jersey number 25. 1.3.
Father to son. Bonus free throw. Yes.
1.3 seconds.
Basket. The first quarter.
24 special run score against 15.
15 si Memorab Santo Niño. That's the end of first quarter.